AA-powered fight against superbugs. UK launches major research initiative. The United Kingdom is launching a large-scale research effort to leverage artificial intelligence, AI, in the battle against antibiotic-resistant infections, also known as antimicrobial resistance, AMR. This initiative comes as global health authorities warn that drug-resistant pathogens pose an increasingly urgent threat to public health. The rising threat of AMR antimicrobial resistance occurs when bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites evolve to survive exposure to drugs designed to kill them. This happens naturally, but is accelerated by the overuse of antibiotics in human medicine and agriculture. As a result, infections that were once easily treated are becoming harder, and sometimes impossible, to cure. Current data shows that approximately 1 in 6 confirmed bacterial infections are now resistant to antibiotics, and projections suggest that AMR could directly cause 39 million deaths by 2050 if left unchecked. This isn't just a distant future problem. Hospitals are already seeing increases in untreatable infections. UK's £45 million push to address this crisis, a 3-year research program backed by £45 million, €51 million, from pharmaceutical company GSK, will deploy AI to accelerate drug discovery and vaccine development. The program, coordinated by the Fleming Initiative, a UK-based science policy group, will involve roughly 50 researchers. Antimicrobial resistance is one of the biggest challenges we face in the National Health Service and across the world, explained Tim Orchard, Chief Executive of Imperial College Healthcare NHS Trust. Drug-resistant infections are increasingly difficult to treat and pose a growing risk to patients. How AI will be used. The research will focus on the pathogens deemed highest priority by the World Health Organization, WHO. Aspergillus, a dangerous fungal infection, gram-negative bacteria, including E. coli and Klebsiella pneumoniae, Staphylococcus aureus, including MRSA, a particularly virulent strain. Specifically, scientists will design new antibiotics using AI. An AI model will be trained to create and test potential antibiotic compounds against multi-drug-resistant gram-negative infections. GSK has pledged to share the resulting data and models with the wider scientific community to speed up global development efforts. Enhance vaccine research. Another team will use AI to analyze how the immune system responds to Staphylococcus aureus, with the goal of designing a more effective vaccine against these infections. Why this matters. The urgency of this initiative reflects a growing recognition that traditional drug discovery methods are too slow to keep pace with the rapid evolution of resistance. AI offers the potential to drastically shorten the time it takes to identify and test new treatments. The collaborative approach, with data sharing between industry and academia, is also critical. The fight against AMR is not just a medical issue, it's an economic and security one. Without new antibiotics, routine surgeries, and even minor infections could become life-threatening again. This AI-driven research represents a significant step towards safeguarding public health against a looming global crisis.